Audio Jungle.
They have children who they want to educate. They have marriages coming in. They have some necessity. Jewelry is not about showing off, or jewelry is not about wearing a jewelry and showing the beauty. No. We always say gold is liquid cash. So the poor, when they buy jewelry, it is for the needy times, they keep it with themselves. It's a liquid cash. ఏదైనా ఇమీడియట్ గా మీకు ఎమర్జెన్సీ ఉంది, డబ్బు కావాలి, ఎక్కడైనా డబ్బు లేదంటే ఇంట్లో నుంచి ఒక చైన్ తీసుకుని ఎక్కడైనా పెట్టి డబ్బు తీసుకుని వచ్చే, పిల్లలకి స్కూల్కి ఫీజు కట్టాలి, లేదంటే కూతురికి పెళ్లి ఉంది, లేదంటే ఎవరికైనా ఇంట్లో బాగాలేదు అందుకంటే డబ్బు కావాలి. So they all go and they pledge their jewelry. 3 lakh women have pledged their jewelry. Can the Chief Minister give an answer to them? Can Chief Minister's daughter, Kavita, who has such a big voice, give an answer to this 3 lakh women who have pledged their jewelry? And can Kavita take an oath and say that I will not buy a piece of diamond, not even a tiny stone of diamond, until and unless the 3 lakh women do not find their jewelry back at home? Let us be honest. You are here to rule, not bring in a Nazi rule, not to make sure that I grow but the state can go wherever they want to. You have been voted to power because you are supposed to bring in a change for a better, but that has not happened. Women, farmers, medical, business, nothing works. Not even tribal community ikkada Hyderabad lo maximum undi meeku ee state lo. So when you have the maximum tribal, we have policies for the tribals, we have separate schemes for the tribals, but nothing has been implemented. Guttikoya tribals undi, women of their community were tied up to trees and they were beaten up by the KCR police. And what action was taken against them? No action taken against them. They were chased away. The huts were set on fire. No action taken. The shelters were taken away. On the whole, the Guttigoya tribals' right to live with dignity and respect in this society was actually taken away by the government. You have been selling the forest to the rich, where actually these tribes live. They do not know anything else. You bring them from a forest and tell them stay in an urban area. They cannot. Just as if they take me, you, or any one of us, push us in the forest and say live on your own, we will not survive. It's the same way with our tribes. But we have been pushing them far, far away to a la-la land where they say that you survive or you do what you want. We are least bothered because we are interested in making money. We need to work on that. Does the government have an answer? No. The Forest Right Act actually suggests that the tribes should not be displaced from their forest dwellings as they hold the right to live, just what I said. It was then the division bench of High Court directed state government not to displace them from the village. So you have the laws which come and say that these are the do's and these are the don'ts, because the state government overrules everything else. They don't look into anything. The one thing which has been actually troubling the state, a very, very huge nagging trouble, was the Shruti fake encounter. Have they even spoken about it? Why Shruti's arm was twisted, her arm was twisted for 180 degrees. Acid was thrown on her. There were bruises on her inner thighs. There was her face was completely. When every person who dies, they have the right that the family should be shown the dead body and then taken for the postmortem. Why the family was not shown the dead body? Why is that you very hurriedly went and finished the postmortem and then handed over the bodies to the family? What is the answer the state government have for this? Nothing, because they will not answer. They are absolutely quiet because they know they are on the wrong. తప్పు జరిగినప్పుడు మాట్లాడితే కరెక్ట్గా ఉంటుంది, కానీ తప్పు జరిగినప్పుడు ఇది తప్పు జరిగింది తెలిసిన తర్వాత మాట్లాడితే people will not forgive them, అది తెలుసు. So they want to brush it under the carpet. Let's not talk about it. అలాంటి ఈ గవర్నమెంట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది మీకు. All we need to tell is, when nothing is working in the state, it's time for the people of that state to decide and say it's pack-up time. And I definitely feel, and the people of the state are very clear to say that it's a pack-up time for the current government. Pack-up time for the government, to people to say that enough, you have been here, you can leave, you do not deserve to get a vote, you do not deserve to be chosen as the one to govern us. KCR, with his failed governing policies, who has not implemented one single scheme for the people of the state. KCR, whose family has been ruling the state. KCR, the chief minister who has never been to the secretariat, who does not talk about the problems, who does not come out and speak about the problems. I think it's time for him to say thank you very much, I failed, with a lot of dignity. He should accept his failure and say it's time for me to leave. We at the Congress, people have seen in the past the amount of good schemes we have brought in, implemented, made sure that people have benefited from those schemes, have come up in the past. We say for the women, we are going to sanction 1 lakh to each self-help group. Every woman needs to be empowered. You can sit at home and you can work. It's not that I don't have education, I can't go out, but everybody has some talent in them. ఇంట్లో నుంచి మీరు ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు, ఇంట్లో కూర్చుని మీరు ఏదైనా మీకు ఏ టాలెంట్ ఉంది అది మీరు చేయొచ్చు. సో ఆ టాలెంట్ ట్యాప్ చేయడానికి we are with you, adi cheppadaniki. Each self-help group will get 1 lakh will be sanctioned to them. Disbursement of 10 lakh loan to each self-help group. 1 lakh to each self-help group women, kani 10 lakhs will be giving them to start whatever the business they want to do. And the government would bear most of the loan amount. So it's not that you're burdened with 10 lakh loan, you 10 lakhs rupees.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.